Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you all have done the exercises and question answers of previous chapters in your books and notebooks. So, today we start with chapter number 3 exercises. So, we start with our first question. Choose the correct answer. First part is the food canal comprises. So, answer is all of these. Second is the bile helps to digest. Answer is fats. Third is drinking plenty of water. Answer is all the above. Fourth is indigestion is caused due to. Answer is both A and B. Next is the nutrients of the food are circulated in the body through. Answer is bloodstream. Sixth is the biggest internal organ involved in digestion is. Answer is liver. Seventh is which organ removes waste from our body, not a part of excretory system. So answer is kidneys. Last part is which of the following organ is tube-like structure from kidney to urethra? Answer is ureter. Next is fill in the blanks. First part is dash helps in breaking the starch into sugar. So answer is saliva. Second is digestive juice secreted by the liver is called dash. Answer is bile. Third is dash helps to digest proteins, carbohydrates and fats in small intestine. Answer is pancreatic juice. Fourth is undigested food is removed through dash. Answer is anus. Last is dash work as a filter and throw out the waste in the form of urine. So answer is kidney. Next is tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. First part is the process of digestion starts only when food enters the stomach. So this is wrong. Second is saliva makes the food rough and hard to swallow. This is also false. Third is chewing the food properly increases the absorption of vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. This is true. Fourth is regular bowel movement prevents many health problems. This is also true. Fifth is overeating is a bad habit. This is also true. Sixth is there are two kidneys present in our body. This is also true. Next is match the following. First is saliva. So answer is helps in chewing and swallowing food. Second is digestion. Answer is maximum absorption of nutrients. Third is liver, largest internal organ. Fourth is proper chewing. This is breaking of food into simpler substances. And last is irregular bowel movement. This is colon cancer. Now see question answers. First question is why do we need food? So answer is all living beings need food for their survival. Food gives us energy to work. It keeps us healthy. It protects us from diseases. Second question is what is digestion? Name the organs of digestive system. So answer is process of breaking down food into simpler form is known as digestion. The main organs of digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, gallbladder and anus. Question number 3 is why should we chew the food well? So answer is we should chew the food well as chewing increases the absorption of nutrients. It helps in maintaining healthy weight. It helps teeth to stay healthy. Question number 4 is what is the importance of regular bowel movement? So answer is importance of regular bowel movement are it cleans our body. Second is the toxins are eliminated through stool. And the last is it prevents lot of health problems such as colon cancer, hypertension and constipation etc. Question number 5 is mention few tips for proper digestion. So answer is tips for proper digestion are as follows. First is take food at regular interval. Second is do not swallow the food without chewing. And last is have a balanced diet. Question number 6 is name the organs of excretory system. Write one function of each. So answer is organs of excretory system are first one is kidney. These work as a filter and throw out the waste in the form of urine. Second is ureters. It is tube that carries urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Third is urinary bladder. It collects urine from kidney and store before discharge. And last is urethra. It carries urine from urinary bladder to the out of body. So students, I hope you all like this video. So you have to note these question answers in your notebooks and exercises in your books. Thank you.